Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Prime Video fix keeps stopping. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open up your app store and on the search bar type in a Prime Video, and once it loads tap on Prime Video and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version might also be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update will probably fix the issue. Now go back and try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, scroll down and tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and once it loads, scroll down and then tap on Prime Video. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app and then tap on offload app once again. And what this does is resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app. And once this process is complete, instead of upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is try again and your issue should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.